It's getting a little easier for Washington hospitals to handle COVID-19. That's because less people are being admitted with COVID-like symptoms. Mayor Kawash shows us how much these numbers have dropped off. Mayor.
You've probably seen a million different graphs just like this in the last 2 months. The most important thing among all of them that you look at is this line right here. It's trending down. And at the peak of this pandemic in mid-March, well over 10% of people were being admitted to the hospital suffering from COVID-like symptoms. Now that number, as you can see, has dropped well below 5%. That's great progress. Hospital admissions tell us more about COVID-19 than other stats like new daily cases, and that's because it shows us how severe the virus is in our community. New daily cases don't tell the story because there isn't enough testing across the entire state. Now, there are just 10 people currently in Spokane County hospitals suffering from symptoms of COVID-19. There's been a total of 66 hospitalizations in the county since this whole thing started. The hospitals in town have reassured us several times, saying there is more than enough capacity to handle any surge. The drop in numbers is very encouraging, but Governor Inslee says we're not out of the woods just yet.
Obviously, we still have a long ways to go in our battle against COVID-19, but our recovery is moving forward.
Today, Governor Inslee also announced 3 advisory groups to lead this whole reopening process. One of them is dedicated to expanding testing in the state. Another will be responsible for helping businesses reopen safely. And then there's one more group created for human services, making sure every family in the state has access to food.